Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa using canned tomatoes. This easy method is perfect for a quick snack or party dip. First, drain your 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes, reserving some liquid. Next, roughly chop 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 jalapeno, removing seeds for less heat. These fresh ingredients will provide a vibrant base for your homemade salsa. Ensure all your components are ready before moving to the next step. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's combine them. Place the roughly chopped onion, garlic, and jalapeno into your food processor or blender. Next, add the drained whole peeled tomatoes. Remember, you can adjust the amount of jalapeno to control the spice level. For a milder salsa, remove all seeds and membranes. For extra heat, leave some in. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture and flavor balance. With all your main ingredients in the food processor, it's time to blend. Pulse the mixture a few times until you reach your desired consistency. Some prefer a chunky salsa, while others like it smoother. Next, add a generous handful of fresh cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and about a half teaspoon of ground cumin. These additions brighten the flavor profile significantly. Finally, season with salt to taste, starting with a 1/4 teaspoon and adjusting as needed. Once blended and seasoned, transfer your delicious homemade salsa to a serving bowl. For the best flavor, cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your fresh salsa with crispy tortilla chips or use it as a vibrant topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled chicken. It's incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.